Hello, friends. Today, we're talking about Barış Baktas, an actor who, despite his relatively short career in cinema, has already captured the hearts of viewers not only in Turkey but also abroad. We'll discuss his journey into acting and some personal moments of his life that intrigue fans. Barış Baktas first got involved in acting after his first year of university. While working at a job placement agency, he often attended job fairs. But he soon realized that he wasn't enjoying this kind of work. One day, while meeting a relative, he mentioned his job, and the relative misunderstood him, asking, "Acting agency?" Once the misunderstanding was cleared up, his relative suggested that Barış try his hand at acting, and soon, without his knowledge, sent his application to an acting agency. Barış received several offers to act, but turned them down due to his studies and work. Finally, after exams, he found time to collaborate with the agency and began appearing in various projects in minor roles. After graduating from university, Barış realized that acting was his true calling. He removed his profile from the agency and dedicated himself entirely to studying acting, dance, fencing, and other skills necessary for an actor. His first serious role was in the horror film Seberu, where he played the character convey. Shortly afterward, he achieved success by portraying King Henry V in the historical series War Legends in 2021. In 2022, he also appeared in the horror film House Number 26, The Scream of Death, where his character was also named Baris. Despite his fame, Barış Baktas prefers to keep his personal life private. It is known that since 2023, he has been married to Gülüm Akbaş, the daughter of the famous Turkish television host Salih Akbaş. Gülüm owns a beauty salon in Istanbul, and the couple has no children together yet, though Gülüm is raising a child from a previous marriage. In 2024, rumors about a possible divorce started circulating, but Barış quickly denied these claims. In an interview, he stated that he often sees posts about a divorce on social media, which have no basis in reality, and thanked his fans for supporting him and Gülüm during this time. That's all for today. Thanks for being with us, friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on new stories about your favorite actors. See you next time.